Hi guys, Shoddy555 here, now recording on PC, first video ever, doing useless websites. Hope you guys enjoy. If I get over about, I would say 1 like, because, you know, a good goal for me. If I get over 1 like, I'm gonna sometimes stream on iPad, sometimes stream on PC. So let's just get straight into it. Let's go to a useless website. What is this? TinyTuber. TinyTuber. Yeah, this website really is useless. TinyTuber. Well, as long as it's a TinyTuber, I'm not complaining. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to another useless website. That's kind of dumb. Please. Corndog.io, this thing is legendary. Look, they're all golden. This is like beautiful stuff right there. Anyway, I'm going to set a time limit for me. I'm having so much fun. I'm going to make it so when it gets to about, say, 3 minutes, I'll stop the video. Got it, guys? 3-minute video. Corndog, seriously, this is legendary, but I hate it. Let's go to another useless website. Weird, confusing. Tell me something weird or confusing. Okay. Well, that's nice to know. Well, I guess that website itself is weird and confusing. Okay. That is. Hey ho. Hey ho. Hey ho. Hey ho. Hey ho. Hey ho. Okay, well, that's useless. It's certainly useless websites. New one. There's the finger. I'm not sure I should post that on YouTube, but you know. This is okay. But then shots fired! Wow, wow, wow. I know it's got to 3 minutes already, but one more website. Okay. Fallingfalling.com. Okay, well, we're falling. Well, that's nice to you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this with all the pickles and white bikinis in it. Except this is really, yeah, I'm going to stop that. I hope you guys enjoyed the Pickle Club Squad poo licking Chinatown house video. And I will see you guys later. And don't hate just because it got to 3 minutes 51. I'm just addicted to YouTube. Okay, see you guys. Later.